Hello everyone, welcome back to Edutainer. In this session, we are going to cover up some of the objectives like introduction, history, and features and benefits of C++ language. So let's start. Introduction to C++. As we all know that C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Similarly, the C++ language was developed by Burgeon Storup in 1979. C++ is object-oriented language, means that C++ is just focused on OOPS concept. C++ is a middle-level language. It means that it is a combination of high-level as well as low-level language. Through this language, we can do the machine coding as well as the application or software-based coding. C++ is a superset of C. As we all know that C++ is an extension of a C language. History of C++. While he was working at AT&T Bell Labs, he faced difficulties in kernel. So he decided to create or develop a new language that was C++ language. Why did he choose C? Because it is a general purpose language and is very efficient as well as very fast. He used his knowledge and took the idea of object-oriented from Simula model. C++ language was not the first object-oriented language. It was Simula. He integrated the idea of object-oriented from Simula into C language, creating a C++ language. C++ superset of C. Let me explain you this statement using a Venn diagram. Let us suppose the inner circle as a C language and the outer circle as a C++. Whatever we code or program in C language will always run in C++ also. But whatever you program or code in C++ language will not work in C language. So that's why C++ is a superset of C. Features of C++. C++ is irreplaceable. C++ is used in development of modern games, operating system, browsers, and much more. It is safe to say that C++ is irreplaceable. Many major applications like Adobe products like Photoshop, InDesign, Amazon, Autodesk products, and Facebook, everything is based on C++. C++ is fast. C++ is an extended version of C. That's why the C is a part of very low-level language that offers a huge boost in speed. Object-oriented programming. As we all know that object-oriented programming helps us to solve a complex problems. You are able to divide these complex problems in smaller sets by creating objects. Exception handling. This was a new thing that was introduced in C++, which was not available in C language. Variables can be declared anywhere in the program. Even the Java language is written in C++ language. Thank you.